Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Stained glass, so it's like stained glass murals, and then you kind of have this I guess Lingnan style architecture, which is kind of a Chinese style from this region of. But that used to be a spot where you'd see buskers sometimes. Yeah, it's a really colorful street. There's even an advertisement up there, pushing boundaries with the Macau Orchestra. Okay, so this is Travessa dos Anjos, which is Angel's Lane. So we're gonna walk down this lane in a moment and just kind of show you what's all in here. Usually there's a fruit stand right here, but that's it's already a little bit too late for that. And before we go down Angel's Lane, this is the cross street, which has like Ginza Plaza, has some kind of interesting stuff. Let's try to. There's Ginza Plaza right there. There's also a cinema that's behind me that you can't see. And there's even kind of like little Times Square imagery up there as well. So nonetheless, that's where we're starting at. And then we're going to go down Angel's Lane right here. And I'll tell you more about it as well. Hey!
Oh, sorry, you're on video then, were you? Sorry, I thought you just taking a picture. Hello, mate.
How are you doing? Good to see you. So, 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. That guy right there, he owns a restaurant and a bar. So he's going to the, I'll do a call out for those because that's kind of good for people to know about. So he has two in this area. One of them is Cathedral Cafe, which is a bar. So he's the owner of that, Steven. And he also has another one that's down the street, which is like Southeast Asian cuisine. It's called Bistro, Indochina Bistro. Okay, so yeah, this is kind of a busy street, and you can sit along the benches along the way on the sides as well. And you got all kinds of interesting foods as well. So you kind of got street foods. I think this one is Doner Kebab. There it is, Doner Istanbul. And we got all kinds of different stuff. So let's just keep on moving along. I'm kind of going a little bit slow. And so this particular street will come around on the corner here, so it's like an elbow-shaped street. And we'll just come right down to this corner, and then we'll highlight how it's angled. So there we go. So we got some nice imagery right here. We got this is all the same street, but it just has a little elbow shape right there. And you can see a lot of people will get snacks in this area. And there's also this. In here there's KFC, Starbucks, Daiso, Japanese. It's kind of a little bit of a Japanese theme slightly in this area. You'll see some different Japanese restaurants, including one that we're gonna walk by in a moment. Let's keep on going down. This one I think is like an apartment, but it's shaped like a temple. The street again, so we're still Travessa dos Anjos, Angel's Lane. Then as you can see, these are pretty popular, this that food item. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. Un momento. Egg tarts, pineapple buns, all kinds of interesting stuff. So okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. Now we got some Japanese stuff over here. Fufu Cafe. Actually, it might not be Japanese, but they have Japanese cuisine, and I think they have some other stuff too. Pizza. Nice little. Okay. Has stained glass, so it's like stained glass murals, and then you kind of have this I think that's Lingnan style architecture, which is kind of a Chinese style from this region of South China. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going. We got a popcorn shop here. Okay, let's keep on moving down. Before COVID, I used to see buskers here sometimes playing music right there. I haven't seen that since COVID, since before COVID. But that used to be a spot where you'd see buskers sometimes. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. Got a big butterfly there. Okay, let's keep on going down. I'm just gonna try to capture the angles here a little bit. Yeah, it's a really colorful street. There's even an advertisement up there, pushing boundaries with the Macau Orchestra. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. Travessa dos Anjos. I guess this is that alley, that dark alley is also part of the lane as well. It's also right. It's also written Travessa dos Anjos on it. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. Okay, so we're coming out into a Rua do Campo, which is a kind of a major street. So we're gonna get to that, and we're gonna turn around and look back. So yeah, as you can see, the street looks a little bit dark, but actually usually there's a lot of buses that go up and down the street. So this street, Rua do Campo, historically this would have led people from historic Portuguese colony into the northern parts, which was basically like Chinese territories. So this would take it out into the fields, basically. Campo de Rua do Campo, street of the fields. But this little lane is called Anjos Lane. And this would have been right in the there you go, Travessa dos Anjos. So on that note, we will end our video. So maybe something kind of interesting to see in Macau at nighttime. And we will end our video. Hope you like it. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.